Alright guys, I went ahead and did something I don't normally do. I bought a cheap knockoff for the Rector Seal Easy Traps. I believe it's Rector Seal. It's not Diversitech. I think it's Rector Seal. So I usually pay about, I don't know, 25 to 30 bucks for the Easy Trap brand. I found these on Amazon. They're blue. Just search Easy Trap on Amazon. I got these 4 of them for 40 bucks. And everything feels exactly the same. The only difference is they're blue. And they also sell a knockoff. They also sell, here's the packaging it comes in. It says quality PVC pipe and fittings. I can't even see a name on them. And then it tells you what it comes with. I think it comes with some pieces that make these clear traps. But they also make the knockoff for the SS2 and some other items. It's a really weird name brand. I can't remember what it is, but just look it up. You know, it's a cheap knockoff, but you know, it's PVC. How can they screw it up? I'm gonna try out. I bought 4 of these. I'm gonna try them out on four different units and see what happens. See if I can save myself some money on these small consumables. Thanks for watching, guys.